One of the questions that I get a lot from people who've been in an auto accident and have hired us on as their lawyers is, how long should I go and see a doctor after my crash? And there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. And it really is not a question that should be being answered by a lawyer. I have a rule: don't take medical advice from your lawyers, don't take legal advice from your doctors, okay? And so the most important thing after an auto accident when it comes to medical care is we want to get you back to 100% of your baseline. Like, where were you the day before the crash? How did your body feel then? We want to get you and work with your doctors to get you back there, or get as close to back there as you're ever going to get if you have maybe a permanent injury. And the unsatisfying answer for so many clients is that there is no timeline for this, right? It might be 3 months, it might be 6 months, it might be 18 months, it might be never. The important thing is that you work consistently with your doctors and that you avoid having what we call gaps in the medical care. That you avoid having a period of time in between the crash and the first time that you see a doctor because you're trying to tough it out, and that you avoid having big spaces in the middle of your physical therapy or your chiropractic care because life got in the way. And while we understand that life gets in the way, oftentimes the insurance companies do not. And so if you have a series of no-show appointments or rescheduled appointments, 6 or 8 weeks into your care, oftentimes the insurance company is going to cut off your care at that point and won't willingly compensate you for anything that happens after that. So continuity of care is almost as important as how long does the care go on. On this channel, we've got all kinds of interesting videos about what to do after an auto accident, whether you've hired a lawyer, us, or whether you're trying to handle this on your own. And so if you are thinking about, do I need a lawyer for my case, check out some of the other videos. And if you're in Virginia, feel free to give us a call and we'll let you know whether or not we can add value to your case.